welcome to Outwell and to our Padres kitchen tables here. So these are available in two different sizes. We have the standard version just here and we have the XL version here. So what I'd like to do is just talk you through the features first of all and then show you how easy these are to assemble. So starting from the top and working our way down, the features are both the same on each model here, obviously just two different sizes. So at the top here we have this windshield which comes with the product, and it's really simple and easy to remove. If you don't want it on here and you just want it as a solid tabletop, it just slots out and this can be folded down flat to keep it stowed away nice and neatly. I'll just pop it back in for now. So some of the other features that we have on here, if I just spin this round to the side, I'll just show you that we have all of these handy storage pockets on the sides here, and it's the same on the other side as well. If I spin it round to show you the back, I'll just highlight that we have mesh ventilation on the back of it here just to keep things well ventilated when they are on the inside. On the inside itself, you'll see we have two shelves on the standard size and we have 4 shelves on the larger size here. These shelves are easy to remove, so when it comes to packing it down, you just take these out just before you fold it down to put it away. We have zip doors on the fronts here as well, so on the larger version there are 2 zip doors on here, and on this one here is one single large sort of D door that can just be rolled away and stowed as we have it here. We have solid bamboo tabletops on here, so a really nice quality material here, looks good as well. And also with the frame that we use on here, it's an aluminium frame, so they're quite solid and sturdy and actually have a max load of 30 kilograms. So yeah, nice and sturdy furniture. A really neat feature that we have on both of these kitchen tables is that we have a pull-out holder tucked away on the side here. So if I just pull this out into place, now that is basically designed to take one of our collapse wash basins like this here, and that will hold that nice and neatly on the side there, so leaving you all of the space on top. So as I mentioned before, a great thing about these kitchen tables is how easy they are to assemble and to take down. So I'll just show you now how to take them down. You just want to remove the windshield from the top here, and as I said earlier, remove the shelves from the inside. And then all we have to do is just pop the legs to the inside here like this. And you'll see then that we have a quick folding frame which would just drop down like this, and obviously you can pack that down completely flat if you want to, just by getting rid of the material that just velcros out. Obviously when you take it out the bag to assemble, it's just as easy to do. When it's flatly packed, we just grab the top and pull it up into position, just holding the bottom of the frame. And then all we have to do is just click these legs into place like this. And then of course we can add the shelves and the windshield if you need to. So there you have it then, that's all the features of the Padres kitchen tables. Thanks very much for watching.